Hi, my name is Janae Smith, and I'm a software engineer who teaches coding and robotics with HOKALI. Prior to starting with the HOKALI team, one of the challenges I faced was the difficulty in finding opportunities. Most schools or organizations required a lengthy proposal process that could take several months to get started. And having HOKALI sort of be the middleman made that process a lot smoother for me. HOKALI has helped me overcome a lot of the challenges that can come from the sort of day-to-day logistics of finding the school, getting to the school, knowing which administrator to talk to, and they provide materials and setup for you for the classrooms. They also have a really great system for keeping track of what you have coming up and instructional materials for classroom management and other types of things that teachers and instructors face. I think HOKALI has helped improve the number of classes that I'm able to take on, since I don't have to do quite as much administrative work as I used to. And it's been wonderful getting to spend more time in the classroom with the kids. My favorite part of using the HOKALI service is the ease of finding new opportunities, connecting with other instructors, and being able to get and give real-time feedback using the HOKALI community. One thing that I found really useful with HOKALI is that there is curriculum assistance, but it's still adaptable so that instructors can take and incorporate the curriculum and adapt it for their classroom needs. I loved the flexibility and real-time feedback I was able to get from the support team. I would absolutely recommend HOKALI to anyone who enjoys teaching or giving instruction, particularly if you want to work with kids.